Fines and costs, $250. Can you pay that today?
Today, not all of it today.
All right, go downstairs and make arrangements. Good luck. If we don't get our 250, the misdemeanor's back on for you to deal with. Understood? Good luck. Heather, I screwed that up. I didn't realize that there were, oh, it's not a reduced charge.
It's just added money.
Yeah, it had two charges, one was completed. Is it Lesage? Say it again? Come on up, Mr. Lesage. You're going forward today without an attorney, is that correct? You've met with the prosecutor? Let's see what we got. Okay, same deal. You're going to plead responsible to impeding traffic. We're going to dismiss a misdemeanor charge, correct? All right. I'll accept your plea to the civil infraction. Fines and costs on that one, $180. Can you pay it today? Go downstairs and make arrangements. Any questions? Tabitha Farrat. Is it Farrat? Good morning. Lots of paperwork here. Are you going forward today without an attorney? All right, let me see what we got. All right, so I've got one file from Sumter Township, July 3rd, 2022. Drove while license suspended, revoked, or denied is the charge. Says here you're going to plead guilty to allow unlicensed driver to operate a vehicle. Is that your deal?
What does that say? Allow unlicensed driver to drive? Is that drive?
Yeah, because the driver starts with a P, and so it's.
Okay. All right. And the other files I have, Huron Township for November 24, says you're going to plead to allow unlicensed driver to operate, and I'm going to dismiss a drove while license suspended misdemeanor and 3 different civil infractions. That's your deal on that pile? Did you read your rights form on these? Understood the rights and the options they give you? You understand the possible penalty for the charge of allow unlicensed driver to operate? Understanding all of those nice things, are you pleading guilty to 2 charges today? Are you doing so freely and voluntarily? All right, let's start with July 3rd, 2022. Did you drive a vehicle in Sumter at that time? Was your license suspended, revoked, or denied? I'll accept your plea and I'll dismiss the original charge. All right, moving on to Huron. Did you drive a vehicle in Huron Township on November 24, 25? And was your license suspended, revoked, or denied? I'll accept your plea on that file. And dismiss all those civil infractions and the drove while license suspended charge. Are you working? And what's the status of your license? What's it take to get you right on the road?
Now, I just have to get in the training. That's my only issue right now.
You need to go back for a driver's license appeal division hearing. Anything you want me to know before I sentence you on these files? All right, on each one of these files, fines and costs are $600. On each one of these files, I'm ordering 4 days on the court work program as an alternative to jail. You pick the days you want to work. Can you pay $1,200 today, or do you need some options? Go downstairs, talk about your options, and they'll schedule your work days. Do you have any questions? Good luck with your license. It's a lot of money to hire the attorney, but it's going to save you time.
Yeah, thanks.
You're welcome. Leon Shannon, come on up. Hmm? Mm-hmm. Good morning. Are you going forward today without benefit of a court-appointed attorney? Did you read your rights form? Did you understand those rights? Understand the options those rights give you? And do you understand the possible penalty for the charge of double parking, civil infraction? Okay. All right, so you're going to plead responsible to the civil infraction. We're going to dismiss the misdemeanor from January of 2020, right? All right. And you've also got some money posted. Looks like you've got a $150 bond. Okay. All right, so I will accept your plea to that added charge. You agreed to pay fines and costs of $300, correct? All right, do you have $150 today to pay in addition to the bond we've got?
I'm probably gonna like $100, but we put it towards it.
So what do you want to do? You want to do monthly payments, weekly payments? All right. Looks like you've also got a speeding ticket you owe us money on here, $275. So how much can you pay? How often and how much?
50 to 100 a month.
All right, go downstairs, make that first payment, get something on paper on the total. Any questions? You as well. We don't get our money, the misdemeanor goes back on, you got to deal with that. King, Dondre King. Mr. King, are you going forward today without benefit of an attorney? Oh, I'm sorry, it does. Have a seat, we're waiting for the attorney. I was feeling cocky. I thought they were all gonna wave today so we could get some done. Let's start with King. Come on up.
Your Honor, for the record, Jeffrey Bowditch appearing on behalf of and with Mr. King. Sir, could you tell Judge your name? Your Honor, this is case 21 HR 13743. His name, I'm set for Raymond in this matter. Would you wait for readings standing to the charges? We've also had a chance to pre-trial this case, Your Honor. We have an executed plea agreement subject to court approval. In that agreement, Mr. King will be pleading guilty to the handicap of operating while impaired. It is a 5-year-old case with the understanding the high BAC would become operating while visibly impaired, and then he would be pleading guilty to driving while license is suspended.
All right. Have you discussed your rights with counsel? You understand those rights and the options they give you? You understand the possible penalty for the impaired driving charge? Possible penalty for DWLS? Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty to those charges freely and voluntarily today? September 29, 2021, did you drive a vehicle in Huron Township? At that time, was your license suspended, revoked, or denied? At that time, had you been drinking alcohol? Did you take a breath test or a blood test? Do you know what your test results were? Stipulate? Over 0.17?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you satisfied with the factual basis? I'll accept your plea, sir, to the drove while license suspended charge and the impaired driving charge. I'll dismiss the original high BAC charge. I'm going to send you downtown. I'm going to send you downstairs to make an appointment to come back and be interviewed by a probation officer. Then you'll come back for a sentencing date when the three of us will have a chance to talk about a report. You got all that? And is that a yes?
Yes.
Any questions?
No.
All right. I'm assuming we've got him on a bond. So bond will be continued.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Oh, Mr. King, you owe us some money on civil infractions from 2021, a PBT refusal, $376. Are you in a position to make a payment plan on that? Set that up today before you get out of here, would you? All right, you're all set. We'll see you in probably 3 or 4 weeks. Kennedy Caraballo, how'd I do?
Your Honor, for the record, Jeffrey Bowditch appearing on behalf of with this. Your Honor, today's the date time set for the Raymond in this matter with reading stand music. We also had a chance to preach on this case, Your Honor. This. Ms. Carmichael is going to be pleading guilty to an attempt of having expired the license with the understanding that the original charges would be dismissed.
Okay, what I've got is she's going to plead to one original charge and dismiss one original charge. I've got registration or plate violation to be dismissed and, oh, what the hell? I got 2 registration or plate violations. Okay, we'll make it work. Did you discuss your rights with Mr. Bowditch? You understand those rights? Understand the options they present to you? And do you understand the possible penalty for driving with an expired license? Are you pleading guilty to that charge freely and voluntarily? Are you doing so voluntarily? All right. Did you drive a vehicle in Huron Township on July 9, 2022 while your license was expired? Satisfied, Mr. Bowditch? So am I. What should I know before I sentence?
Yeah, about a week ago, I paid like $1,400 off in tickets. I tried to pay them off back. I'm just trying to reform my life. I got a heart specialist now, so I'm just trying to get my life on track.
Mhm.
Like a part-time mother now too. So
Okay.
I'm just trying to get my life on track just so I can be better all the way around.
Okay. All right. So what's the status of your license?